This is Meteorologist Matthew East. I'm cutting this edition of the video here on this Thursday afternoon. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon here, and I wanted to cut a really quick edition of the video because we do have the chance of seeing just a little bit of snow overnight tonight into early tomorrow, maybe a few snow showers around the viewing area. So I wanted to show you sort of what's going into that portion of the forecast. Now, we look at the temperatures right now. This may be a little tough to see on the video, but it is certainly mild out there this afternoon, very comfortable. We're looking at lower 60s around the Charlotte zone, mid 50s for the Triad area, and over toward Raleigh-Durham as well. So it's mild right now, but cold air is moving our way. You take a peek off to our north there, and a rather expansive area of 30s. Your sub 40 degree line runs from there northward. So anywhere from the plains up through the Great Lakes and the New England states, all below 40 degrees right now. And that air is indeed sinking our way. In terms of precipitation, obviously we're dry here in the Carolinas right now, but you'll notice the activity that is firing here near the Ohio Valley. Some precipitation falling not far from the Ohio River there between Indiana and Kentucky. Also some lake effect snows up around the Great Lakes region. That's all with the big trough that's swinging our way. Now here's the setup. This is off of the 18Z NAM, just in-house here. And notice we have a very significant trough dropping southeastward. A lot of energy contained within that trough. This is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. And a lot of upper level energy at play within that trough as it's dropping our way. So that's 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. And by 1 p.m. tomorrow, that trough definitely is swung on into our area. And it's that upper level energy, those dynamics in play, that's fueling the chance for just a little bit of snow tonight or tomorrow morning. On the NAM here, again, this is the 18Z run of the NAM. This is valid 1 o'clock in the morning. And we do have dry conditions through 1 o'clock according to the NAM. But as we scoot on over here to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, you notice the precipitation returns beginning to show up a bit there in the Piedmont of North Carolina. And as we scoot on over now to 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, those returns begin to shift eastward across the state. Not a lot of precipitation here. Don't get me wrong. We're not talking about a big snow event by any means, but I do think that we're seeing a pretty good chance coming up tonight or tomorrow morning of some snow showers and maybe a little bit of light snow, depending on how things develop as this trough swings through. So that's the NAM. The GFS actually even a little bit more impressive with the coverage of light snow as we go through tomorrow morning. That's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, the little bit of light snow around much of North Carolina, and by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, that precipitation is moving eastward, and upslope snows there up in the mountains. And a couple of the models rather to show you here. That's the European, and again, this may be tough to see as well, but what you're looking at here in that bottom left panel, that is 700 millibar moisture, the 850 millibar moisture on the bottom right-hand corner, and moisture at both those levels. And 850 temperatures below zero, so that would probably be a little bit of light snow falling across North Carolina. And finally, the regional Canadian model also printing out the precipitation here across North Carolina. And this chart is valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So a lot of different factors, a lot of different models showing the chance for at least a little bit of light snow out there tonight or tomorrow morning. Again, this is not a big deal, most likely. At most, we're probably talking maybe a dusting of snow on some elevated or grassy surfaces, but something interesting to watch as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning. The best window of opportunity to see some flakes probably about 2 o'clock in the morning through 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow morning in the Piedmont of North Carolina. All right, that's it for this edition of the video. The next regular edition of the video should be posted very early tomorrow morning. Everyone enjoy your Thursday night, and God bless.